Hello, today we will guide you through how to create rich filters in Jira Dashboard. To begin, open Jira and navigate to your Kanban project in the list view. This is your starting point, and from here you'll access the tools needed to add rich filtering options to your dashboard experience. Make sure the project page has fully loaded so all navigation items are visible. Next, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Apps. This section is where Jira connects with additional tools and extensions that can expand what your workspace can do. If you don't immediately see the option, give the menu a moment to load and then select it. After that, click Explore More Apps. This will take you into the Atlassian Marketplace area, where you can search for and install integrations designed to work with Jira. This is the place to find the Rich Filters app that helps create more dynamic dashboard filtering. Once you're in the Marketplace, enter Rich Filter into the search bar. Typing the exact phrase helps narrow the results quickly and makes it easier to locate the right app without confusion. From the search results, click on Rich Filters for Jira Dashboards. Be sure to select the correct app name so you're working with the dashboard-focused filtering tool. Opening the app page gives you more information and access to the installation option. Now click Try it free. This begins the app installation or trial setup process in Jira. Depending on your permissions and your organization's Jira settings, you may see a few confirmation prompts or setup screens. At this point, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the installation. The exact prompts may vary slightly, so just continue through the setup as guided. It's a good idea to read each screen carefully to make sure the app is added correctly. Once the app is ready, click on Rich Filter to open it. This takes you into the app's setup area where you can begin creating a new filter configuration for your dashboard. Then click Create Rich Filter. This starts the creation process and opens the form where you'll define the basic setup. Enter a name for your rich filter. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple filters for different teams or projects. Finally, select the sample filter, then click Next, and continue following the on-screen procedure to finish the setup. The remaining prompts will guide you through the final configuration. Once completed, your rich filter will be ready to use as part of your Jira Dashboard setup.